Here's an interesting app which is called Tawasal SuperApp. So SuperApp basically means that this is the one app where you want to spend most of your time and where you want to do majority of your communication. And this app is available on iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and this is like the communication platform providing free and secure calls, chats, channels, services, and more. With Tawasal, you can make high definition video and audio calls, share photos, documents, voice messages, and more with friends and family. Tawasal Messenger provides stable connection and perfectly works on 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, or Wi-Fi. You can have free HD audio and video calls, chats, group video calls. You can discover football news. This app claims to be quite secure. There are files, stickers. This app is free and there are no ads. And that's basically that. As you can see, it's in top charts in social networking already. The size is 121 megabytes. But anyhow, let's just see how it looks like. So it is very similar to WhatsApp. So it's basically a communication platform similar to WhatsApp. To add new contacts, you just tap on plus and then just add a new contact here. You can then just add mobile number or phone number. You can invite friends from here. You can then just sort all your contacts. Then there are chats. So you can see all of your chats. You can mute your chats. You can delete them, pin, unread. So similar to WhatsApp really. And then there is Discover, where you can add some news, even like some sport news or some just general news. So it's also like a media app where you can enjoy some news and some publications, and you can filter out what you want to read and what you don't want to read and all of that. And then there are settings where you can see all your information and all your settings. You can change your profile, you can set your photo, your first and last name, your username, your bio. You can set your username and all of that. So similar to WhatsApp, then what you can do here is your QR code, which you can share. Notification sounds, then there's privacy and security, data and storage. So all of these settings which you can explore, appearance, you can change all of that, dark mode, language, stickers and emoji, you can ask a question. And then here is the chat where you can reach out to support. So that's what you can do. In case you want to delete an account, you can just tap from here to delete an account. And that's the idea, what you can do. So that's basically how it works. This is an overview. This is the app, so kind of like WhatsApp, but it's a bit different. So yeah, maybe this app is popular in some like Asian countries or something like that, and then it also starts to climb charts in the US App Store. Maybe some communities, some people are using it. So that's basically an overview here. So there are chats, there are settings. You can see here, you can call people, you can chat, you can read news. Maybe there are also video calls and all of that. But this is the interesting app for sure. So if your friends are using it or someone using it and you just want to check out, should you download it? Yep, so this is how it looks like. If you know how to use WhatsApp, you will figure out this app as well. Hope the overview was helpful and it will simplify how you use the app.